In today's video, we will be talking about cloud technology. Well, you might be wondered by this word cloud technology. No, it's not actual cloud in the sky, but I'm sure that you are already using it on daily basis. So nowadays, it's crucial to have an idea about cloud technology. If you are a student, business owner, working professional, or you have an idea to implement over the internet, this video is going to be a gem for you. So let's start with the basics. What is the cloud? The cloud refers to servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and databases that are run on those servers. Instead of storing data on your personal computer or phone, you are storing it on powerful computers somewhere else in the world. And you can access that data anytime, anywhere, as long as you are connected to the internet. So let's take an example. When you save a photo to Google Drive or iCloud, you are not storing it inside your phone. It's actually saved on Google or Apple's data centers, massive buildings filled with computers, and you just access it online. So, simply put, cloud technology lets you use storage, software, or services through the internet instead of needing everything on your personal device. Cloud technology works because of something called data centers. These are giant facilities filled with thousands of computers and servers that store and process your data. Whenever you upload a file, send an email, or stream a video, it travels through the internet and reaches these cloud servers where it gets stored or processed and then come back to your device. How great is you don't need to worry about maintaining these servers. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft do all the hard work behind the scene. There are three main types of cloud services that our businesses use. Number one, infrastructure as a service. You run IT infrastructure like servers and storage. Example, Amazon Web Services, AWS. Number two, platform as a service. You get a platform to develop and deploy apps. You don't worry about the servers or backend. Example, Google App Engine. Number three, software as a service. You use software over the internet. You don't need to install anything. Example, Gmail, Zoom, or Google Docs. Even if you don't realize it, you probably use software as a service every day. Cloud technology has completely transformed the world, especially for businesses. Here is why. Number one, you can grow or shrink your storage or services anytime. Number two, you don't need to buy expensive servers. Number three, you can work from anywhere in the world. Number four, major cloud providers have advanced security systems. Number five, teams can work on the same files in the real time from anywhere on the planet. The major players in cloud technology are Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, Oracle Cloud, and the cloud is just getting started. Soon everything from your phone to your fridge might be connected to the cloud. So next time you stream a movie, open an email, or store a file, remember you are using cloud technology. It's invisible, but it powers everything. In the digital era, understanding the cloud is like knowing how electricity works. You may not see it, but it powers the modern world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand tech videos.